Hi, Nicole. Let me look at your work. Oh, yeah, I remember. Okay. Nerd effect. It looks like you worked on the edges a little bit. Still one is a little bit sharp on the edges, but it doesn't stand out as much as it did before. So that's pretty strong. Consider putting identity standards here in all caps too. It's so playful. It's something that you could do. And the reason why I say that is because this is serif fonts are usually considered pretty conservative. And your logo is very playful and fun. So if you put it in all caps, it might, back off a little bit from all of the busyness that's going on with this font. I think you need to go very simple is basically what I'm saying, because you've got a logo that has a different sort of system going on. It's illustrative, plus the viewer has to look at it and go, oh, nerd, right? And then there's all caps red underneath it. So there's a lot going on. It works really well. But then you've got this sentence case sort of decorative serif at the top that sort of interferes with it. And because it's white on brown, it also takes all the attention away. So consider a super simple sans serif font. Let me show you what I mean here. So similar to yours, Rachel has a very illustrative logo, and you can see how she used a simple sans serif font here. If she used something that had serifs and sort of balls like the Y and so forth of your identity standards word, I think it would have been too distracting. Anyway, that's all I'm saying. So a beautiful way to show a table of contents. Signature, cute, very nice. So you want to avoid widows at all costs. That's one word on a line. Also, graphic designers work like mad to get rid of hyphens. So widows and hyphens you want to edit out of your document. All right, so these are all the accepted fonts to go with your logo. So if someone were to write a letter, they'd have to pick one of these. Very nice. This looks good, clean design, very simple. Applying the signature on black, white by itself. Very nice. Get rid of the hyphen. Don't put it on its side. Don't use a different font. That's cute. You could also do something where you show like the hair has pigtails or something. Don't change the hair. I just love this part of standards guides. All right, cool. Very creative letterhead. Nice, well-organized placement of your logo. I like the funny way you're doing the envelope too. I would love to get that. So did you align the little business card here? I remember somebody suggested that. I'm not sure these are aligned, these two lines, the number and then the address. Consider doing that. And also, for the sake of balance, you might want to put something under there instead of just blank. So you've got your email. You might want to just put the address nrd.com, blah, blah, blah.com, and that'll be a nice balance for both sides of the glasses. You could also put like your Twitter handle or something like that. Just think about how to balance it out. That's basically what I'm saying. Clear space. All right. All right, very good. Very cute, well designed. You saw that I only had a couple notes, but I like how consistent you were throughout. It shows a lot of confidence and a strong design style. Let me know if you have any questions.